Calm Residences is a pre-selling property of SMBC located here at Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. 1 minute away from Santa Rosa exit, going to Batangas, Tagaytay, and Metro Manila, very accessible ng location niya. For as low as 12,000 monthly, no down payment, you can already start to own your property. Napakalapit din niya sa Enchanted Kingdom. Watch this video and stay tuned. Construction update for Phase 1 as of first quarter of 2025. Nearby establishment, Walter Mart Santa Rosa, walking distance. Enchanted Kingdom is just minutes away. Robinson Santa Rosa, Laguna. SM City Santa Rosa. Vista Mall Santa Rosa. Ayala Mall, Solenan. For the hospital, we have Santa Rosa Hospital and Medical Center. High Precision Santa Rosa. St. James Hospital. Medical City South Luzon. For school, we have Laguna Northwestern College, Dominican College Santa Rosa, Greenfield Integrated School of Laguna, Our Lady of Assumption College, De La Salle University Laguna Campus, Savor School Nuvali. As you can see, this is along the highway, very accessible for the commuters.
Hi guys, this is your good game mapping Andrea. Santa Rosa City, dito sa may Balibago. Yes. Meron tayong approximately 52,000 square meters and composed of 17 towers. And per tower, meron tayong 4 floors. So, ang kagandahan dito is yung location natin. Sobrang lapit lang natin sa Walter Mart Balibago and Enchanted Kingdom. Pero accessible din siya going to Tagaytay. Same time, maganda yung amenities natin. So, meron tayong lock pool, kiddie pool for our kids. So, enjoy yung mga kids natin tumambay every afternoon dun sa pool area natin. At the same time, sa mga mahilig magkaroon ng basketball, meron tayong over basketball court. At the same time, sa mga fitness enthusiasts, meron tayong outdoor gym. Ang kagandahan dito is, per building, kung makikita nyo dito, kahit magkakatapat yung building na yun, meron tayong linear park sa gitna. So, napaka-green yung natin, paligid natin.
Take a look with sample model unit.
So sa mga gustong kumuha ng unit dito sa Calm Residences, ano nga ba yung flexible payment term, Danica, na ino-offer natin dito?
Good question, Ate Melhano. So, yan yung kagandahan ng mga pre-selling project na SNPC. Meron tayong ino-offer na mga flexible payment term na magaan sa ating bulsa na very affordable. So, ang monthly natin dito kay Calm Residences is around 12,000 monthly. Makakakuha ka na ng unit mo dito kay Calm Residences. So, ano nga ba yung mga kailangang requirements, Ate Mel, para makakuha ng units dito?
So yon, tama-tama yung tanong ni Danica. Ano nga ba yung mga requirements? Isa na dyan yung ating reservation fee, which is 30,000 pesos. And then fill out the reservation form na ibibigay namin sa inyo yon. And then also, the 2 valid IDs lang. So, ganun lang kasimple. Pwede naman natin ma-reserve yung unit dito sa credit card, GCash, or IP88. So, kung ano yung available nyo, sabihin nyo lang sa amin.
So yun guys, what are you waiting for? Avail a unit here in Calm Residences.
Good day guys, this is Arnel Bisco under Team ERL ni SMDC. So, na-discuss na ng mga kasamaan ko yung details ni Calm Residences. By the way, sa mga nasa abroad man or local, willing mag-inquire sa amin, mag-iiwan kami ng contact number dito, Viber or WhatsApp. So, lahat ng agent ni Team ERL willing mag-assist sa inyo 24/7.